We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the United Nations, the North American Aerospace Defense Command, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Nor it has detected a large spherical object orbiting Earth. Eyewitnesses have confirmed that the spherical object is identified as the Death Star. The Death Star is a large superweapon built by the Galactic Empire that has enough power to destroy an entire planet. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All residents of the United States, gather your friends, family, pets, loved possessions, and everything that makes you feel comfortable, and prepare for the end. There is no way to survive an event like this. The Death Star will destroy our planet within the next 60 seconds. If you are part of a religion, such as Christianity, Judaism, Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, Zoroastrianism, Shintoism, Chinese, Vietnamese or African folklore, pray to your deity or deities, ask for forgiveness and repent. Engage in any activity that would calm you. The President has selected a verse from the Bible to be played for you. John 3:16, For God so loved the world, that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him, should not perish, but have everlasting life. This is the EAS guy, Tom, signing off for the final time. Please stay tuned for the final playing of the national anthem. God bless America.